Pangalan niya po, ma'am? Pangalan po? Sabrina, okay. Apo. Yun, magandang gabi po, no, mga ka-obs. May first booking na tayong pumasok dito sa Katipunan, no, mga ka-obs. Ang drop off naman niya Novaliches. Yun, sa wakas nakapagbiyahe na rin tayo, no, mga ka-obs, mga kaangkas natin. Ilang araw din tayong, di lang araw, weeks mula January to hindi na tayo nakabiyahe, no. Ang ngayon lang uli dahil yung motor natin pinagawa pa natin, pinarefresh kasi ang daming sira. Kailangan natin magsipag tayo ngayon. Alright, puyat na naman to kung puyat. Dito sa black box lang yung pick up location ng pasahero. Black box, sama dito yung black box. Black box. Black box ba to? Ito. Black box. McDo na to eh. Tawagan natin. Black box. Ano black box dito? McDo to eh, McDo. Black box dito ah.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Ginagawa mo!
Yan, tinawagan natin oh. Hello po ma'am, sa Angkas po, magandang gabi po. Ma'am, saan dito ba na black box, ma'am? Malapit dito sa may McDo. Ayun, pinatay.
What? What the fuck? Gago!
Kaya banda. Pinatay kasi kaagad. Matawag din, tinix ko na lang, no, mga ka-obs, kasi di ko alam saan dito banda yung black box. Okay, dito daw sa may Shikis.
I'll be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back.
Pangalan niya po, ma'am? Pangalan po? Sabrina, okay. Apo. Okay, Sabrina.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Ay, putik. Mukhang lasing to ah. Lasing to, lasing. Shower cup? Meron po.
Either way, regardless, I don't know.
I mean, I don't know. It shouldn't
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going like this till nobody knows. But
Stop! Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo!
Yun, papunta na kami sa drop off location ng pasahero natin, mga sa Novaliches. Okay na po. Thank you.
the past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Ma'am, pasok tayo.
A long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Okay. Yan, mawak lang po. Ay, sorry. 119 na lang po, ma'am. Naka-promo po kayo. 119. GCash. 0995. $119. Apo. Apo. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ayun, dito na tayo sa Sangandaan lang pala to mga kaps, no? Yung drop off ni ma'am. Sangandaan, Quirino Highway. Okay, so right.